are looking for a video that explains to you overhead risk apportionment using the direct method, then this video is for you. Let me not waste your time. Let's go straight to the point. In the example above on the top left is a fully calculated and solved question. Now, our interest here is the overheads that we get here. Now, the solution to this video is on my page, and I'll leave a link in the description section so that you can go and verify the numbers. Now, on the right here, the question has given the rate at which each service department is being used by the production department. Now, there are 5 departments here, but 2 are service department and 3 are production department. Department T and Department M are the service departments, and Department A, B, and C are the production departments. Now, the total overheads as calculated for Department A is 16,680, as is seen here. For B is 9820, C is 6976, and for T and M as it's stated over here. Now, let's use the direct method. The direct method is the most simplest method. Now, when we go here into how each service department benefits each production department, we've been given some proportions here. Okay, so for Department A, it uses 30% of Department T, B uses 40% of Department T, and C uses 20% of Department T services, as well as M uses 10% of Department T services. Now, when you come to Department M, A uses 40%, B uses 30%, C uses 25%, and T uses 5% of Department M services. Under the direct method, now these departments are not going to benefit from each other. So we are going to share their cost straight away to the production department. So we come here, we start with Department T first with a total overheads of 3460. Now, in order to get Department A, we have to take 30 plus 40 plus 20, right? 30 plus 40 plus 20 will give us what? 90, right? So we are going to, so in order to share, we are going to use these percentages as how that has been given here. So we are going to do 30% times 3464, okay? And that should give us 1039.2. Now, when you come to Department B, it should be 20% times 3464, and that will give us 138.5.6. Then when we go to Department C, C is going to be 20% times 1385.6. That is giving us 692.8. You get it? Okay. So that is the answers that we have here. So we finished sharing Department A, Department T for A, B, and C. Then we come to Department M. Now, the question that you ask is why didn't we include the 10%? In the direct method, service departments do not benefit from other service departments, right? Okay. So when you come to Department M, which is 5460, we are going to use the same approach. So the same approach is Department A, Department A, we are going to have 40% times 5460, and that is going to give us 2184. Department B is going to give us 30%, that is here, 30%, 30% times 5460, giving us 1638. Then Department C is going to give us 25% times 5460, 5460, and that is going to give us 1365. Okay, so those are the answers that we have found here. Now, after that, we total all the overheads here. And when we total, we get 21904. For B is 12843.6, and for C, 9033.8. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.